Well, this is the blizzard of 2010 here in Baltimore, Maryland. A lot of snow. Measured in the backyard, 28 inches. Standing eye level with this mound. It's probably about 5 feet tall. Got the car covered up for the snowstorm. You can see where some of it's melted. It was up higher on the fence, but a little bit of it melted. And this is 2 days after the storm, and our roads and all the roads in the neighborhood have not been touched by the plows. Where you look at the snow. See, this is a little bit deep here. Everywhere you look, snow. These roads aren't too bad. This is one more of the main roads. This is our backyard. Some more mountains of snow. I had to make a path for the dog because she wouldn't go use the bathroom unless we dug her had a path. It's pretty ridiculous. Some sort of ice formations here from the dripping from the gutters. It looks pretty cool. But yeah, this is the blizzard of 2010, and they're actually calling for about another 6 to 12 inches 2 days from now. More to add to this. It's like it's never going to stop.